Welcome back to Refined. I'm Gard Swanson. I think we are all looking for ways to distress these days, especially at home. And if you're looking for calm in the kitchen, then our friends and sponsor ShelfGenie are here to help. They make it easy to turn your space from out of control to organized. When it comes to kitchen cabinets and drawers, ShelfGenie are pros in reshaping your space. Ellen Regala, ShelfGenie's Director of Happiness, loves a good challenge.
The fun part about this is it really is very creative in the problem solving that we do, and it really is working with our clients to ask them these important questions about the items that they have and trying to figure out what can stay, what can go, where things can live, and coming up with that best solution possible.
ShelfGenie solves kitchen issues, especially for clients like Candace Uy, who loves to cook.
This is my chopping area, prepping area, and this is my baking area. Oh my God, this is like the best counter ever. And then my range and my griddle. Yay, it's the best.
But that wasn't always the case. Despite being brand new cabinets, Candace needed to change things up for her and her busy family. That's why she called ShelfGenie.
You see, like the front is really great. We were able to pick the colors and the tiles, but the inside, it was just all shelving. It's just plain, flat. I can't, you have to dig in and like remove all the stuff. If you have, pots and pans behind and dishes at the back of the shelf, then you have to bring out everything and then try to get the stuff that you wanted.
It comes out all the way.
ShelfGenie is meticulous in redesigning your space. After a detailed consultation, ShelfGenie will create the perfect functioning kitchen for you. Then it's time to build and install.
I know how much they're gonna love it, and that brings me a lot of joy. In the appointment, it's a lot of fun, and our clients just get super excited about the end result.
Gard, I gotta show you this kitchen.
This kitchen's beautiful, by the way.
Well, yes, on the outside, it used to be not functional.
Super dysfunctional inside.
Oh, yes.
All right,
for
Quiz,
sure.
what do we got here?
This, I want to show you. This is where I organize all my kids' lunch
Wow,
pails.
you are organized. Look how nice these shelves are. They slide right out.
Yes, and they have soft closing, everything just smooth.
That was just the start. Candace is super organized. She needed ShelfGenie. So what is your favorite thing that ShelfGenie did for you? Besides all these beautiful drawers they put in, what's your favorite?
My favorite?
Yeah.
Oh, I have to show you.
Show me, I want to see it.
This is my favorite. This is my number one
Oh, look
concern.
at this.
When this started, this one had a column in the middle, and that's like, I couldn't live with it.
I have to pull this out here. Oh my gosh, look at this. And then you're the first person in the world that puts the lids with the pans. Look at this,
Oh,
everything's
yes.
organized.
I couldn't live without the lids. And I had all the griddle accessories right here, right beneath it. It's easy.
ShelfGenie redesigned nearly every drawer and cabinet space, making this kitchen connoisseur super elated. ShelfGenie's pretty cool.
Oh yes, for sure. If I have to say something, it's like ShelfGenie is like, it's painless for me.
Yeah.
Having them come and do all of these, it's like one of the best things that we've done.
So ShelfGenie, you're super organized. They are. It made your life easier.
Oh yes, yes. We're match made in heaven.
It is so satisfying knowing that our clients are having more joy in their homes. They have an easier time getting to the things that they own. And yeah, just the overall kitchen experience is so much better and so much less frustration and time wasted looking for things.
ShelfGenie is offering a free professional design consultation and free installation for the first 15 callers right now. Call the number on your screen, 206-929-4954, to take advantage of that special offer. There's also more information at shelfgenie.com/SeattleRefined.